the world of billionaires, access to certain luxury services goes beyond owning expensive cars or private jets. Some of the most exclusive privileges are tied to elite credit cards. Exclusive pieces of plastic that open doors to private concierge services, personal luxury advisors, and unique privileges that regular credit cards just can't offer. These credit cards are tailored to the ultra-wealthy, providing them with benefits and experiences that most people could never imagine. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into 5 of the most exclusive credit cards that only billionaires and the ultra-wealthy can own. These cards aren't just about convenience. They're about luxury, status, and providing access to some of the most extravagant experiences in the world. The American Express Centurion Card, Black Card. The American Express Centurion Card, better known as the Black Card, is arguably the most famous exclusive credit card in the world. Known for its sleek black design, the Centurion Card is a symbol of wealth, power, and influence. To own one of these cards, you must not only meet incredibly high income thresholds, but also be invited by American Express, which makes it a rare and coveted item. While the exact criteria for receiving an invitation are not publicly disclosed, it's known that cardholders must spend a minimum of $250,000 per year, with many reports suggesting that the average cardholder spends upwards of $1 million annually. The initiation fee for the Centurion Card is around $7,500, and there is an annual fee of $2,500, which is a small price to pay for the elite privileges it offers. But what exactly do you get with the American Express Centurion Card? This card comes with benefits that cater to the ultra-wealthy. Cardholders have access to personalized concierge services, meaning you can get anything from securing last-minute reservations at Michelin-starred restaurants to arranging private jets and yachts. The card also provides access to the most exclusive events around the world, such as private concerts, fashion shows, and high-profile sporting events. One of the most coveted features of the Centurion Card is the ability to use it for bespoke travel experiences. Cardholders can enjoy VIP access to luxury airports lounges, private terminals, and even personalized travel planning with a dedicated travel agent who can curate the entire trip down to the finest details. Additionally, the Centurion Card offers luxury hotel upgrades, private jet charters, and special access to events such as the Oscars, Fashion Week, and the Grand Prix in Monaco. The American Express Centurion Card is not just a piece of plastic. It's an exclusive pass to the best things in life, and it's a card that only the wealthiest of individuals can access. The Dubai First Royal MasterCard. The Dubai First Royal MasterCard is another ultra-exclusive credit card that is specifically designed for the world's wealthiest individuals, particularly those in the Middle East. This card is a true symbol of luxury, offering cardholders an unparalleled range of services and privileges. The Dubai First Royal MasterCard has one of the most impressive designs of any credit card in existence. The card is made from 23-karat gold and features a diamond-encrusted logo, making it both a statement of wealth and an object d'art. It is estimated that fewer than 200 people worldwide have been invited to own this card, making it one of the rarest and most exclusive credit cards available. The requirements for owning this card are as exclusive as the card itself. Cardholders must have a net worth in the hundreds of millions, and the card is not available through standard application processes. Instead, you must receive an invitation from Dubai First, and this invitation is reserved for ultra-high net worth individuals and royals. The Dubai First Royal MasterCard offers a variety of exceptional perks, including access to a dedicated relationship manager who takes care of all personal and financial needs. Cardholders can expect a high level of personalized service, whether it's booking private planes, arranging for chauffeur-driven cars, or securing reservations at the most exclusive restaurants and hotels worldwide. The card also provides its users with access to the world's most luxurious private clubs, including VIP access to international events for the select few who are fortunate enough to receive an invitation to hold the Dubai First Royal MasterCard. It provides more than just a payment method. It offers a lifestyle that is virtually unmatched in its exclusivity. The JP Morgan Reserve Card. The JP Morgan Reserve Card is a credit card that is exclusively available to JP Morgan private bank clients who must have at least $10 million in assets under management. This card is the epitome of banking luxury, and its members enjoy a host of services and benefits that cater to the world's wealthiest individuals. Unlike many of the other exclusive credit cards, the JP Morgan Reserve Card is not about flashy displays of wealth or precious metals. Instead, it focuses on providing ultra-high net worth individuals with access to personalized services and exclusive experiences. The card is made of stainless steel, giving it a sleek and elegant appearance that reflects the understated luxury that the JP Morgan brand is known for. With the JP Morgan Reserve Card, cardholders gain access to some of the most luxurious concierge services available. This includes bespoke travel planning, with access to private aviation and luxury yacht charters. The card also offers access to exclusive hotels and resorts, with guaranteed upgrades and VIP treatment. For those who enjoy fine dining, the Reserve Card gives its holders priority access to the world's top restaurants. While it's one of the more understated credit cards, the JP Morgan Reserve Card is a symbol of financial success and an invitation into an exclusive world of luxury. The Coutts Silk Card. The Coutts Silk Card is an ultra-exclusive credit card offered by Coutts & Co., a private bank in the United Kingdom known for serving royalty, billionaires, and high-net-worth individuals. The Coutts Silk Card is available only to clients who have substantial wealth and have met stringent requirements set by the bank. The card is intended for clients who have significant assets and maintain a high level of spending. One of the most unique features of the Coutts Silk Card is that it is designed to offer an unprecedented level of personal service. Unlike many other credit cards, the Silk Card provides cardholders with access to a personal relationship manager who can assist with a range of needs, from travel and lifestyle management to investment and financial planning. Coutts is known for its tradition of providing elite services to its clients, and the Silk Card is a reflection of that. The Centurion Black Card by American Express, Global Edition. While the original American Express Centurion Card has become a symbol of wealth and luxury in the United States, the Centurion Black Card also has a global edition that offers even more exclusive benefits to the ultra-wealthy. The Global Edition is an even rarer form of the Centurion Card, with only a select few individuals from around the world being invited to hold it, and the cardholder must meet incredibly high spending thresholds. It allows cardholders to have access to a broader range of services and exclusive events worldwide. Cardholders of the Centurion Black Card, Global Edition, have access to a unique network of luxury experiences. Furthermore, the card is designed to cater to individuals who travel frequently. For those who meet the strict qualifications and can afford to maintain such a lifestyle, these credit cards are more than just a means of payment. They are symbols of status, luxury, and the ultimate access to a world of unparalleled wealth and experiences. If you're fascinated by the lifestyles of the ultra-wealthy and the privileges they enjoy, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Luxionaire Lifestyle for more insights into the world of billionaires and their extravagant lives.